Welcome to Lafayette, Louisiana, where STEM Global Action is here in partnership with the Lafayette Economic Development Authority to host a STEM Fest for the kids in K through 12 for the Lafayette community. We are so excited to be able to engage our third year in a row, all of the kids that have come here today, so that we can have fun and an amazing time flying drones, exploring planets in the Star Lab, making our own propeller car, racing it, flying an actual airplane, looking at 3D printers and other experiments and demonstrations.
Today we are hosting the third annual STEM Festival in partnership with Lafayette Parish School System. And this is something that we have been doing, LEDA has been doing, to promote STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, among our youth in the community. Our economic base is comprised of companies that are in those areas. It's manufacturing companies, energy companies, aviation, healthcare, biosciences. And so we want to make sure that the youth in our community are aware of the many, many career pathways that they can choose in the STEM fields. And so it's just been a wonderful day. We have had almost 500 students that have registered. They're showing up today here at the Dupuy Center with their moms, dads, grandmas, aunts and uncles, big sisters, big brothers. And it's just been a wonderful day in partnership with STEM Global. LEDA could not do this without STEM Global, founded by Dr. Calvin Mackey. And they're based out of New Orleans, but they produce these STEM events for youth all over the United States. And we're so privileged to have this ongoing partnership to ensure that our youth in Lafayette, Louisiana, know and understand that they have very viable career opportunities in science, technology, engineering, and math.